Hello, dear student. Welcome to our channel. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm also fine. Thank you. Let's start today's topic. Today topic is breaking of covalent bond or fission of covalent bond. Fission means breaking. It means the fission reaction like you studied in physics. Fission reaction means that the breaking of the breaking of what breaking the breaking of the some atoms like the radioactive elements like uranium, the breaking of uranium atom in which different further atoms are formed, this are called, and neutrons also generate, this are called fission reaction. So the breaking or fission of covalent bond, how covalent bond can be break, there are two possibilities, two way in which covalent bond can be break. The one way is called, the one possibility is called heterolytic fission. Heterolytic fission. Fission means breaking, means heterolytic breaking of covalent bond. Or this word, the one other word also used, heterolysis. Heterolysis is also used for the breaking of fission. Is it clear? Heterofission is also used for the heterolysis, also used for the heterofission or breaking of heterolytic fission. It means that lytic means breaking, lytic means breaking or fission, while hetero means different. It means that the covalent bond will be break into different pathway, like the product will be two different product, not will be the same product. Like this is one hydrogen and this is carbon, this is carbon. Let's suppose if there is any nucleophile attack on this carbon, yeah, or you can say, let's suppose this is two atom A and B. Let's suppose this is two atom. If A is more electronegative, let's suppose A is B is more electronegative than A, so that's why the bond will be break toward B and the product will be formed. These two electron will be shifted toward B, so B will be get negative charge and A will be get positive charge. So it means that the bond cannot be break, the bond are not break in same in each, the bond is not break in same or in similar uh, in two equal parts. The bond is not break in two equal parts, because here is two electron present in bond, so these two electron shift toward B, not the one electron shift to A, not one electron to B, but both the electron shift toward B. So that's why A has get the electron deficiency. A has electron deficient molecules, found deficient molecule, while B has electron rich molecule, rich central molecule. B will be act as a nucleophile and A will be act as an electrophile. So that's why this type of breaking will called, this type of breaking will called heterolytic fission. For example, or you can define first, you define if a covalent bond is broken in such a way that both bonding pair of electrons are taken by only one fragment or one molecule or one atom or one part of the compound, then the breaking of bond is called heterolytic bond or heterolytic fission or heterolysis. Is it clear? Yeah, it is clear. Let's suppose that is example is, that is CH3, C, CH3, CH3. These are our electron donating group, while chlorine is electron withdrawing group. It has partial negative charge, it has partial positive charge. So this will be shift toward the bond will be break like this. This bond will be heterolysis. This lysis will be, this breaking will be called heterolysis. So what will be formed, the product will be CCH3CH3CH3 plus charge plus Cl negative charge. And so here anion is also formed, cation is also formed, anion and cation is formed, cation and anion carbocation is formed. So That's why the bond break the two these two electrons shifted toward the chlorine. These two electrons, bonding pair of electrons are taken by only one atom, that is chlorine atom. So that's why this heterolysis, this fission, this lytic is called heterolysis or heterolytic or heterolytic breaking or heterolytic fission. Is it clear? Yeah, and as in just previous lecture, I also put his link, its link in description box, so you can get. I already told you that arrow can be that type of arrow will be represented by a double-headed curved arrow. Double-headed curved arrow means that both the electron will be shifted towards this the head of the arrow, like that is toward the chlorine, so the both electron will be shifted toward chlorine. That's lysis will call, means double-headed arrow will use in heterolysis fission, heterolytic fission or heterolysis. I hope that point will be cleared. Okay, let's proceed the topic. So the second type of breaking is called homolysis or homolytic fission, homolytic bond fission are also called homolysis. What that mean? Homo means same. Homo means same, while lytic mean different. Is that clear? Yeah. I hope this point will be you learned before from this topic. Lytic mean different and homo means same. Sorry. Homolytic means same and lytic means different. Lytic means, sorry, not different. Lytic means breaking. So here will be same breaking occur. Like let's suppose this is A molecule, this is B molecule, this is A atom, this is B atom, the molecule A B molecule, which are bonded with single bond, single covalent bond. If this the each bond, we know that each bond, most of 90% or 95% of the bond contain two electrons, so this electron pair will be partially break, means one electron will be go toward B and the another electron will be go toward A. So that will be formed two radical, that is A radical plus B radical. These two free radical will be produced. Also we will be denote the arrow from the curved, from the headed arrow, from the half-headed arrow. As in previous lecture I already told you, half-headed arrow means the electron will be, single electron will be go in this direction toward the in which the arrow has direction, means there is the two arrow directions, so means one electron will be go toward A and one electron will be toward B. That's why one electron will be shifted on A and B, an A atom and B atom, and two free radical will be produced. This type of breaking in which same number of electrons are distributed and the bond are break in equal position, so this type of breaking will be called homolytic breaking. Homolysis are also called homolysis. How can you define, how you can also be defined this thing, if a covalent bond is broken in, if a covalent bond is broken in such a way that each fragment takes only one of the bonding pair of electrons, then this breaking of bond is called homolytic bond fission. I hope that will be clear. This is called homolysis and heterolysis. For example, this is HO, this is called hydrogen peroxide, like H2O2. When in the presence of UV radiation, high toxic radiation, the bond will be homolytically break, and two free radical will be generated. Also, for example, this is Cl2. Cl2, the bond will, in the presence of UV radiation, the bond will be break, and two chlorine radical will be produced. So this is called homolytic bond fission, and the above one is called heterolytic bond fission. I hope the point will be cleared. If you have any confusion, if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, as it is you can ask me in personal WhatsApp. I also put my personal WhatsApp number and Gmail address in description box. You can get from there. Okay, please subscribe my channel, support me, and make me feel happy that my students are supporting me. Okay, thank you. Very best of luck, my dear student.